Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of the trip. We're here on the beach today, celebrating Mum's B-Day week in Nelson's Bay. So, hope you guys can stay tuned in the video, and let's get crack-a-lackin'. So guys, we're still at the beach right now. It's really nice, nice and hot today. As you can see, we got the view of what this place looks like. It ain't too shabby, ain't too bad. Nice and crispy. Water's cold as F, but it's okay because we're going great. It's really hot though. It's like 33 degrees or something, I don't know. But it is what it is, can't complain. Can't be a bee. But yeah, anyway guys, don't forget to check out the isolated music video. Peace. Wait, Lodi, come on, catch that wave, eh? Get it, Brennan. Get that wave. Come on. You're killing it, brother. You're killing it. And oh god, oh god. Lodi, come on, catch it. Ready? Go, Lodi, go. Damn, look at them wheels. Oh yeah.